Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. Did you know that most millionaires don't just wake up wealthy, they build habits that make success inevitable? The truth is, success is 80% mindset and 20% strategy. Today, I'm going to share millionaire mindset habits and daily routines that will set you on the path to success. 1. Briefly explain the importance of habits. 1. Success is a result of small, consistent actions compounded over time. Morning routine. 1. Wake up early. The average millionaire wakes up 2-3 hours before their first obligation. Early mornings are quiet and distraction-free. Example. Use this time for self-reflection, planning, and personal growth. 2. Practice gratitude. Start the day with a gratitude journal. Write 3 things you're thankful for each morning. Gratitude shifts your mindset to abundance, helping you focus on opportunities instead of limitations. 3. Exercise and meditate. Physical movement boosts energy and focus. Meditation helps clear the mind, improve decision-making, and reduce stress. Goal setting and planning. 1. Daily goals. Millionaires live with purpose. They don't wing it. Write down your top 3 priorities for the day. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of activities that yield 80% of results. 2. Visualize success. Spend 5 minutes visualizing your goals as if you've already achieved them. This rewires your brain to believe in your success. 3. Time blocking. Schedule your day with clear blocks of time for focused work. Avoid multitasking and prioritize deep work. Continuous learning. 1. Read daily. Most millionaires read 30-60 minutes daily, focusing on self-improvement, business, or industry trends. Recommended. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, Atomic Habits by James Clear. 2. Learn new skills. Commit to lifelong learning. Whether it's a course, podcast, or mentorship, investing in yourself always pays the highest dividends. 3. Reflect and adjust. Spend 5-10 minutes at the end of each day reflecting on what worked, what didn't, and how you can improve tomorrow. Networking and giving back. 1. Build relationships. Millionaires surround themselves with like-minded, driven individuals. Attend events, connect online, and find mentors. Your network is your net worth. Wealthy individuals often engage in philanthropy. Giving creates a sense of purpose and strengthens relationships. Mindset and discipline. 1. Stay disciplined. Success comes from doing the hard things, even when you don't feel like it. Develop discipline by starting small and building consistency. 2. Overcome limiting beliefs. Replace thoughts like, I can't, with, how can I? A millionaire mindset is solution-oriented and focused on growth. Health is wealth. 1. Prioritize physical health. Many millionaires emphasize that without good health, wealth is meaningless. Incorporate a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate hydration into your routine. Example. High performers like Richard Branson credit their success partly to daily exercise routines. 2. Sleep well. Sleep is non-negotiable. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep to recharge your body and brain. Fun fact. Jeff Bezos prioritizes getting 8 hours of sleep, stating it helps him think more clearly and make better decisions. 3. Mental wellness. Keep stress in check through mindfulness practices or hobbies. A healthy mind is more creative and productive. Learn to delegate and say no to unnecessary commitments to prevent burnout. Financial discipline. 1. Budgeting and saving. Millionaires are intentional with their money. Use a budget to track spending, allocate savings, and invest wisely. Tip. Automate savings and investments to build wealth passively. 2. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Adopt the mindset of letting money work for you. Invest in stocks, real estate, or businesses that generate income rather than spending on depreciating items. Example. Warren Buffett lives frugally despite his wealth, demonstrating that financial discipline is key. 3. Diversify income streams. Never rely on one source of income. Millionaires often have multiple income streams, such as investments, businesses, and royalties. Taking massive action. 1. Embrace risk and failure. Wealthy individuals take calculated risks and learn from failure. They understand that growth lies outside their comfort zone. Example: Elon Musk invested his last dollars into Tesla and SpaceX despite the risk of losing everything. 2. Consistency over perfection. Don't wait for the perfect time to start something. Begin with what you have and refine as you go. Quote: "You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great." Zig Ziglar. The power of gratitude and positivity. 1. Focus on positivity. Successful people maintain an optimistic outlook, even in adversity. They see challenges as opportunities for growth. Surround yourself with positive people and avoid toxic environments. 2. Celebrate wins. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. Celebrating wins keeps you motivated and reinforces good habits. Example: treat yourself after achieving a milestone, whether it's small or big. Developing emotional intelligence. 1. Understand yourself. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is just as important as IQ in building wealth. Self-awareness helps you manage emotions and make better decisions under pressure. Example: if you're frustrated or stressed, take a step back, reflect, and respond calmly instead of reacting impulsively. 2. Master relationships. Millionaires are great at building and maintaining meaningful relationships. They know how to communicate effectively, empathize, and resolve conflicts. Tip: practice active listening. Don't just hear people, but truly understand their perspective. 3. Control impulses. Emotional control leads to better decisions in business and personal life. For example, avoiding impulsive purchases or investments saves you from costly mistakes. Think big, start small. 1. Expand your vision. Millionaires think beyond their current circumstances. They imagine what's possible and aim high. Quote: "Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll land among the stars." Norman Vincent Peale. 2. Break it down. While the vision is big, start with manageable steps. Focus on making daily progress. Example: if your goal is to save $100,000, break it into small monthly or weekly savings targets. 3. Take ownership. Stop blaming circumstances, the economy, or other people. Millionaires take 100% responsibility for their lives and results. Leveraging technology and tools. 1. Use productivity tools. Millionaires maximize their time by using apps and tools like Notion, Trello, or Google Calendar to stay organized. Automate repetitive tasks to free up mental energy for bigger decisions. 2. Stay updated. Leverage technology to stay informed about market trends, new opportunities, or advancements in your industry. Example: follow financial news platforms, podcasts, and webinars to stay ahead. 3. Invest in digital skills. In today's world, digital skills like coding, digital marketing, or data analysis can provide a significant advantage. Upskill yourself to stay competitive. Building resilience and grit. 1. Bounce back from setbacks. Failure is inevitable, but how you respond defines your future. Millionaires don't give up when things get tough, they adapt and persevere. Example: Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first TV job but went on to build a media empire. 2. Develop grit. Grit, the combination of passion and perseverance, is a key trait of successful people. Stay focused on your goals, even when progress seems slow. Quote: "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." Winston Churchill. 3. Learn from failure. See every failure as a learning opportunity. Ask yourself, what can I do better next time? Creating a legacy. 1. Think long-term. Millionaires often think beyond their lifetime. They build wealth not just for themselves but for future generations. Example: Start a trust fund, invest in long-term assets, or build a business that outlives you. 2. Give back to society. Success isn't just about personal gain. Use your wealth and knowledge to create a positive impact on others. Example: many wealthy individuals, like Bill Gates, commit to philanthropy to address global challenges. 3. Teach others. Share your success principles with others. Helping others succeed reinforces your own learning and contributes to a better world. 1. Final boost. 2. Remember, every like and subscribe helps this community grow stronger. Together, we can make financial freedom a reality for everyone who's ready to take action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.